It's easy to sand acacia butcher block panels from Interbuild if you follow these directions. After joining the countertops and rounding over the desired edges, you are ready for sanding. For the most uniform finish and changing the stain color, you can remove the stain by sanding the Interbuild countertop. Here, we're going to use Festool's Rotex Sander, which gives a quick and consistent result. Now that the profiled edge has been sanded, the sanding pad can be changed to a harder pad in order to sand the entire panel surface. That happens prior to applying the final stain finish. For the final sanding step, make sure to switch to a 150 grit pad. That's all it takes to sand an acacia butcher block panel from Interbuild.